and cough.
Give me that. So good.
Hey, Bramble, quit hogging all the apples. Send some down here.
No problem. I'll get you some big ones. Catch!
Huh? Whoa! Hey, what's the big idea?
You said you wanted some. Hey, who did that?
Lager Vic!
That's right. The one and only. Ha!
Bramble, come on!
He sure runs fast. Good thing you don't.
What am I gonna do? Oh, yeah.
Nice try.
Oh.
Running away. Ha!
Ow! My tushy!
I got you. Wait till the anesthetic kicks in.
My legs are feeling all wobbly like.
Interesting. Still holding on.
Yeah! Leave him alone!
Please have mercy. I give up.
Never! Yeah! Why you? Huh? Bramble! Oh!
Yeah! Yeah! I knew it would just be a matter of time before I caught you. Now, no one will get in my way, and I'll be rolling in money by selling them. And it's a good thing the price of bears has been skyrocketing. Hey! I'm rich! I'm rich! That's right. I should call the boss. Hello, Mr. Lee? Huh? Hello? What's wrong with this piece of junk? Come on, you! Hey there, boss, Mr. Lee. Never mind that. That was just the TV. But about those bears, I finally caught them. You see, my pay...
We'll talk about that later. Vic, we need to test those bears' blood.
What? Test their blood, huh?
That's right. The buyers won't buy them until they get the results.
But, boss, I'm not really qualified for that. Maybe a doctor.
We can't let a doctor know what we're doing. All the equipment you need is in the mail. Don't let me down.
He's out of his mind. They're bears. Yeah, they won't let me.
Medical delivery.
That was fast. Huh? Why is it so big? Huh? Armor? A container? And, jeepers! Is this for elephants?
Your equipment should be there by now. The first and most important thing you gotta do is get those bears into that armor. Do it now.
Okay. It's done.
Now, can you see that hole in the armor? That's to show you where to stick the syringe. Just stick the needle inside the hole and give it a good shove. It's as simple as can be.
But boss, it sounds so cruel.
If you mess this up, I'll show you what cruel
But
is.
boss, I'm really not so sure. I'm not a doctor. Huh? No, I can't. If I was to do this, it would be like torture. No choice. I can't. What am I going to do? If I don't do this, the boss is going to fire me for sure. Gosh, why did he put me in this position? No, not again.
Ouch! What's
Well, look at that. It's a needle.
I think we're locked in a cage. And we're wearing prison uniforms. They're uncomfortable.
Look behind you.
It's Slaughter Vic. You let us out here right now. You hear me?
My gun! Where is it?
Let us out. You hear me, Slaughter Vic?
Sorry, bro.
You're kidding!
Briar, you used me.
Sometimes you gotta crack a few eggs, you know what I mean?
Let's teach him a lesson.
Did you get the samples of their blood yet?
Well, boss, the thing is, I was about to. But, well, I was going to say, I gotta go, bye.
When we get our hands on you, get back here!
I've gotta find my gun.
Get back
Oh,
here!
yeah.
Stop running!
Yeah. Right. Yeah, my new rubber bullets. Drat! Yeah. Empty? What horrible timing. Just kidding, right? Go! Come on, let me go, let me go! Let me go!
Huh. Fine then, but first hand over the key.
Untie me first, or you'll be stuck in there.
Huh? Bramble, full cavity search.
Okay.
Okay, you win. The key to the house.
All right, Bramble, that's enough. Let's get going.
Aye, aye.
My phone must ring the boss up. Wait, that's right. I usually keep a knife in my pocket. Don't worry about a thing. I've got everything under control, boss.
What a total bummer. I thought we'd find some food here.
You fool! We're looking for a key, not a snack.
Huh.
Why, you... my tranquilizer gun. Put your hands up.
Lager Vic?
Take this.
Oh! Oh! La, 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 la.
You're driving me crazy. Hey! That's a family heirloom. Put it down.
Okay.
Oh, no, why? You're dead meat. Yeah! Hey! Okay, settle down, settle down. I'll give you the key. Here.
Oh, wow. Good job, bro. Well, that takes care of the uniforms. Now let's take care of the prison guard who locked us up in the first place.
Whatever. Get it over with. Well, get on with it.
My pleasure.
No.
Come on.
One day the fools will be you.
Vic, why haven't you sent me the samples yet?
They're on their way today. They fell for it. Only a genius like me would have thought to use ketchup for the blood samples. Huh? Hello?
What on earth did you send me? The buyer backed out of the sale.
But I just did what you asked, boss.
Well, their blood must be tainted or something. Must be a grisly thing. I'm gonna need your pay advancement back, Vic.
But boss! Oh, man.
Huh?